We are finally at Leszno, fantastic airfield in the middle of Poland. We have 93 pilots from 16 countries. IMAC is a global scale aerobatic school which facilitates pilots to move from the basic level to the unlimited. Very sophisticated sport, quite difficult to do, very engaging. We've been practicing now for 3 days on 3 flight lines on this airfield, plus another support line.
Flight was okay, but we got to tweak a bit the needles. The air is not that more humid. We have no such power, so we have to tweak a bit.
The unlimited program is very tough to fly. Airplane must be perfect for these programs.
It's all composites and all the surfaces. You got all the kit, and then you have to assemble the electronic and the motor after that.
My slick, there is a 170 cubic engine inside, plenty of power for the plane, and it just works perfect.
The engine is a DE, so DE is the aircraft 200. This is a 4 cylinders, and that's why it's so smooth and so quiet in the air.
We also have electric one, which flies good, is also powerful, but you can't fly as long as with gasoline. Here are the servos for the rudder. We are using on the giant aircraft 2 servos because then you have more torque. Lines from the rudder are going to the servos. Gasoline mixed with 50:1.
You have to check some points after 10 or 15 flights, like on a real aircraft, even on the motor and everything, just to fly safe.
You can buy it completely ready, then someone other is building for you the plane, but yeah, normally you build everything by yourself.
It's very enjoying to fly.
Everybody seems to be well acquainted to the situation and has the feeling of being finally in the right place at the right time.
There was like a question why not to do it in Leszno, so now we are here and it's fantastic to see the people competing here.
So we help pilots to grow in their competence. To do this, we organize competitions at different level, national level, international level, global level.
We are aiming, maybe we will convince the organizers to organize the World Aerobatic Competition RC Models IMAC in 2026.